Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to solve issue if you receive SMS text messages but you don't hear sound notification. What you have to do, go to settings. Now scroll down until you see app settings and tap on installed apps. Now scroll down until you found message client. Here it is. Under maps you will see, in my case is under maps, but messaging, type on it and you will see several settings here. The settings that we are interested for is notification. Click on it and here it is. If your notification sound tape is off, you have to turn it on, so tap on it and turn it on. If you want vibration, also turn it on. If you don't want, turn it off. So there you can adjust to hear sound when you receive your text messages. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and leave me the comment section below. It means a lot to me. See you.